Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then let's simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is really long, then I highly recommend to do everything automatically. To do that, we have to tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and save data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. So let's simply mark the option which you want to use and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, in my case, the history is empty, which simply means that I've just successfully removed the whole browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.